Okay, so since it's on my Hrm215SDA cold start, now I'm going to start my Honda Hrm215 as a bonus.
It's got oil and gas. Turn the boot valve on. Put on choke. See how this one starts.
Yeah, so that was cold start of the Honda Hrm215. So you can see this engine I'm thinking about is gonna fit, hopefully, on this Hrm215SDA deck.
So I don't know if you noticed, what you probably have seen in my other videos, is that you can see it has a crack right there, and then there's another crack on the other side of the deck.
So let me know in the comment section below that whether this engine will fit on this Hrm215SDA deck, and then that would be good if I did that, because I have no other choice of putting this engine onto this deck, because I don't have any mower that I can use for that engine. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the cold start of the Hrm215SDA and the Honda Hrm215. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya.